We are not safe. Stop killing women. We are not safe. We are not safe. Stop killing women. We are not safe.
Natoka kwa group inaitwa Star Ladies. Ni CBO inafanya kazi huko Kisii. Ina advocate for rights za wanawake, sex workers. And leo tuko hapa ku condemn killings zinaendelea ku happen hapa Kenya. And hizi killings they are not only happening to sex workers, they are also happening in women in marriages. We are condemning them in every term possible. Brenda Mora from Kisii County. We've come out today in solidarity with the killings that have been happening in Kenya. We had a march, a peaceful march, condemning the killings that are going on in our country. We came together as Kisii CSOs, women-led organizations, condemning the acts that have been happening recently. And we saw it good to have this walk in solidarity with the women that have been killed in our country.
Hello, Rabuya. Nawakilisha organization inaitwa Kisii. The organization is mostly about mental health matters, and over what we've been watching over the news about these femicide cases, this whole situation has instilled fear, even for the single parents to comfortably go out there, meet new people, and get to bond and stuff. It's becoming hard because you don't know this person you're going to meet, of course, even if it's in a public place, because at this point, people are dying at Airbnbs, hotels, even in their own homes. So we figured it was important for us to come together today to address this matter, because there have been instances where the community, and by the community I mean even us, we are blaming these people who have been murdered. Yet we all know everyone is right to be alive, because nobody is supposed to blame God. Because most people are considering people who are going out on dates to meet people as immoral.
Having it harder, people blaming the victims. You know, someone has died and then you're blaming them for being at the venue where they died, and all that, and then we are having people judging them on moral grounds and questioning their morality, and we condemning the killings. Every person has a right to life. Every person is entitled to live their life how they want it, as long as you are not interfering with another person's life. Yes, thank you.
Asa Marita nkoro kwa Emawere, the director Vision Stars Ladies organization, dealing with sex workers in Kisii County. Eto achira yegari tukolia lero osangirekana amona basubati bonsipensengima asengencho yoko abasubati baito babere bagoitwa bakongentwa na goitwa chinchira ao na gusiri obugima bwabo. So litukolia lero eto achira yegari Kisii County kotete abakungu bonsipita gotebanga abasubati mwanya bantu tibabwenereti goitwa abasubati mbabwate abana mbabwenereti goitwa abasubati bamwabo omonto so mbabwenereti goitwa sengenjo na barabo mwanya bantu. Despite bagokora gasi endeos nabono into sex workers ntubwenereti goitwa ngoko batogokora gasi ya sex work. Sex work ne gasi na gasi endeos asengenjo kero togokora gasi ito ya sex work ngonyora tore chibesa toirera abana baite skuru twakana chinyomba na twakora kende gionse. So twanyorire nga abagaka batekera advantage ye gasi igatogokora gochigotoita batoira ngeto kogenda gochiko kokore biashara bibeito lakini kwanyora nga babaira mamincha biashara twarenga gokora batoitire.
The notion that women love money. I mean, who doesn't love money? Si kila mtu anataka pesa ndio survive. Yes, there's that notion like women are going after money, and even if women were going after money, nobody would go for poverty. If you're hanging out with someone, make your life better. At the end of the day, it's about empowering each other.
Them today, igoro yogo itaba subati, tutigana na mangana yogo itaba subati sengencha basubati na baro mwanya bantu na nemba wate haki yoko menya sobugi mabode nseyega. Despite into ni sex workers, we are also human beings and we are entitled gukora kende gyo subuna muntu ndubwensi ore normal abwena batokora. So twachire gaiga seri tukora raro togopinga nande togokana kirimanga twakaniro goito kwa basubati tegara subati bakore biasara byabo nonye na bali banyomere barasi nyumba tibabwenera tigo itu nabagaka babo ngasengenjo banyomere na barube mbabwate right yo komenya asenke yo buno musubati. So twapingira nande twakanire with the strongest term possible ng'abasubati batege goitwa aseng'enchera bari bomwana.
We are not safe. Stop killing women. We are not safe. We are not safe.